26 Charles, failure to yield. The westbound A, just east of Lake Murray Boulevard. Black motorcycle, number 1 lane, east 93. White shoes, black pants, black top, black helmet, and gray backpack. This is light, passing College Avenue, speed 114.
After it's down due to weather.
Weather's foggy. Just let the CHP San Diego know we're in their area now. Passing Waring, speed 120.
Passing ring, number 2, 120.
And there's no plate.
No plate.
Number 2 lane blacked out, approaching the 805. Number 3 lane blacked out, passing Mission Center Road.
Traffic conditions, please.
Traffic is slowly building up, about moderate, 110. He's slowly getting away. Passing Taylor Street.
110 passing Taylor.
Going 5 northbound, passing SeaWorld Drive, passing Grand Avenue. Northbound 5, approaching the 52. I see a secondary unit behind me, but I don't think it's CHP. I think it's SDPD.
108 copy. If that secondary is not CHP, we will turn 22.
Still northbound 5, approaching Genesee Avenue. Still northbound 5, approaching Carmel Valley Road. He's yielding. We're on the right-hand shoulder. Still northbound 5. It looks like south of the 54.
The 56, you mean? I got copy yielding northbound on the right shoulder, south of the 56.
Alright, copy.
26 Charles, 1015. 16, we're going to be close to.
Copy. Can you go with that final 1020?
Northbound 5 is the 56 Carmel Valley.
And media is 97.
Media 97.